So step number one, you're gonna fold your seats up like this. Pretty sure everybody knows how to do that. You pull this little latch or whatever, it flips up. You want to take your headrests out. You squeeze this tab and this tab at the same time, and they'll slide up and come out. And then that leaves you where we are now. So what we're gonna do is these seats actually fold forward, but it's not easy. So I'm gonna stand up in here. If you look down here, I got a pry bar to try and get better leverage. That little tab I'm on right there has to be lifted all the way up. Is that the right tab? No, I'm sorry. It's a little higher. It's right here. This tab is lifted all the way up, they say, and that should release this puppy. So I'm gonna pry up on it, just like that. Once you get it free, then you come, keep pressure on it, come back over here. Now you gotta pull that latch. Clayton, can you pull that latch for me while I hold this camera?
This latch?
Yeah, and then the whole thing should fall forward. Bam! Green eggs and ham. Now there was a rumor that the passenger seat actually folded down like normal, but it does not. It also has a latch on this 13 King Ranch. But so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is the little rod that you're having to get on and pull up right there. So you get on that, pry it up, and you saw how you, like, you'll know when it pops free. It was pretty obvious. So I'm gonna get that one, and then we'll get to getting this panel off. Here we are. Both back seats are down. So this side was supposed to be the easy side. There's definitely no strap on this 13 King Ranch coming out, and it's not mirrored. So this little pin you gotta pull, I ended up doing this one with my finger, is pinned up against this wall on this side. So you gotta reach in there and pull it up. But it did, once I got a hold of it, it just popped right up and it's good to go.